90% of our problems stems from a lack of awareness. These problems range from money, careers, relationships, to addictions, health issues, stress, loneliness, and overall mental health. Lacking awareness is the inability to stay in the present moment, living without conscious control of our decisions and actions. On top of that, awareness is willpower. So, what can we do about it? Fortunately, there are antidotes. To increase our awareness, I will share with you an easy practice we can adopt. Don't miss the opportunity. I'll guide you through it step by step, plus share a secret hack on how to apply it to your daily life with ease at the end of this video. Be sure you don't miss out on that. In this series of meditation for beginners, we will explore different alternatives you will find easy to follow and graduate with flying colors. Yes, you will. I promise. For those of you who already have a meditation practice, I invite you to check out my guided meditation videos for spiritual upgrades. I appreciate you. In part 1 of Meditation for Beginners, we explored belly breaths, and I love that many of you find it easy to follow and have been practicing. Let's take a deep belly breath together to celebrate your success. Sit, stand, or lie down. Straight spine. Eyes open or closed. Your call. One hand over your belly button. Relax your body as you breathe out fully. Inhale, filling up the lungs and abdomen like a balloon. Exhale, letting all the air out, deflating the balloon. Magnificent! With belly breaths being our appetizer, mindful breathing is going to be our second course. Mindful simply means being aware of something as fully as you can. Therefore, mindful breathing is being aware of your breath. We are introducing 2 easy methods today. The first one is a full tracing or following of the breath with our attention to the parts of the body involved as air passes through each of them. The second method of mindful breathing is to keep our focus on one specific area of our choice that is involved in breathing. There's no hold in between, just take note of the turnaround points. Let's dive right into tracing every part in 2 mindful breaths, followed by another 2 mindful breaths with specific focus around your nostrils only. Straight back, relax your body on your exhale. Inhale, notice the air passes through the nostrils and throat, expanding the lungs and abdomen. Turn around, exhale, flattening the belly, deflating the lungs, air releasing from the airway and nostrils. Again, inhale, nostrils, throat, lungs, belly expands. Turn around, exhale, air leaves the belly, lungs, airway, nostrils. Now maintain your focus around your nostrils only. In breath, air enters the nostrils. Out breath, air exits the nostrils. One more, inhale, air goes into the nose. Exhale, air leaving the nose. Marvelous! You've just gained and practiced a tool that can effectively raise your awareness. I want to celebrate you for keep showing up. I feel so proud of you. Tell me if you could follow your breath or not. Drop a yes or no in the comments. In case you can't follow your breath, don't give up. Go back to the previous part of the video and experience the process with me again. You got this. Increasing awareness can definitely help us get over life's hurdles more successfully. It can lead to greater emotional resilience, improved relationships, and better decision making, such as avoid doom scrolling for 3 hours straight without even knowing. While the exact percentage of problems being solved through having more awareness might not be absolute, cultivating awareness can certainly reduce the impact of various problems in our lives, including lowering mental stress, anxiety, and rumination, leading to greater joy and calmness, and living the life that you want with clear intentions, conscious decisions, and inspired actions. In part 3 of this beginner series, we will show you how to stay young and prevent dementia. Stay tuned for that. Here's the secret hack I promised earlier as my gift to you. This week, you will practice mindful breathing at different times strategically. You apply the full tracing of mindful breathing upon waking up and/or before bed, because it is likely to be more quiet for you to train your awareness this way. As for the mindful breathing with focus on an area of your choice, which can be nostrils, throat, chest, or belly, I'll challenge you to practice it on the go, sitting at your desk, standing and waiting, walking your dog, doing dishes, or even talking to someone. Yes, you can do that while interacting with someone. One bonus tip is that when you feel impatient with someone, mindful breathing can actually help you stay in the present moment and even enjoy the moment more. Isn't it crazy? Tell me what situation you applied mindful breathing in the comments. Be adventurous with when and where you practice. If you're feeling curious, check out my super easy breathing exercise or guided meditations. Otherwise, see you in the next video. Your well-being matters to me. I love you so much.